this again with the mic. The mic is not attached to me this time. I think that kind of fuzzes it up. I don't know. I keep trying with this microphone. It doesn't seem to make much of a difference. But okay, so I have the new box for October. It's September 28th today. So there's a little owl on the front. I didn't even try to guess what it was. I hate plastic. It might be ink stuff because of Inktober. That is my sticker. Okay. All right. Cupcake palette. I've never had one of those before. I don't like plastic. This is interesting. Copic Acrea Dark Rose. That's a pretty color. Oh, it's got plastic around it. Oh. You have to pump it first? Oh, it didn't take long. Oh, it's an acrylic marker. Oh, Acrea. Okay. Oh, I didn't know Copic made acrylic markers. Oh my, this is very nice. I do not need more acrylic markers. I'm just telling myself that. Oh, it's really nice too. And a nice color. This is Brush Writer. I have these, but not with a pink cap. It does say pink. It's the pink month, maybe because October is like breast cancer month. Is it actually pink? Oh, yeah, it is. Pink ink. Oh, and it's got a small brush. I don't know where's the stupid thing. It's a really thin one, so I like that. Yeah, that's nice. Like a, what do they call it? Opera pink. Very pretty. Nice. All right. And a big flat round brush, number 8. It's that nice fake nylon. Well, not fake nylon, it's nylon. By King Art. That's a nice brush. A little sticker. Cute. And it's got like the little supplies in there. It's got the little pink, this thing poking out of it. I hope it describes what you're supposed to do with this. And this is Ultimate Zero Black Ink, water-based pigment. Huh, okay. That's the postcard. And this paper, mixed media paper, it doesn't, well, maybe it describes it in here. Premium pink ink box. Bamboo reed pen. I've never, does it tell you how to use it? On the back it says, you may have noticed this box before. That's because for the next 3 months we're going green and using all our extra boxes we've accumulated over the years. Think of it as a throwback box, but better for the environment. Interesting. I don't know how to use this pen. You must use it like, well, they must have given you this for a reason. So you must put the ink in there and scoop it up. I don't know. And it's got a little split at the end, so it looks like, and a little dot, so it looks like a, like a nib, a regular. This one doesn't though. Wow, I'm gonna have to look this up. I've never used or even seen one of these, so it feels really neat. I think I'm going to look up how to use it first, and then I'll come back and I'll kind of demonstrate it. Everything else I've demonstrated, not the brush, but you know how a brush works. I like that pink ink. Yeah, it's really pretty. All right, let's try to, I can make it really thin. Maybe that's what it, I don't know, but it looks like you must put ink in there or something. Make some nice like fur or whisker textures. Kind of cool. All right. I'm going to look this up. Let's see what it says. So it's basically, oh, it's all over my desk now. A dip pen. So I'm not sure. I mean, this is just more of a pointy end, and this is like a flat tip end. So I guess that's why that. I'm not sure why carving this out does anything, except maybe it's easier to hold. But I can hold it in the round part, and it's fine. So yeah, it's just a dip pen. So weird, interesting. because I've seen people like do these things where they go out and they find a stick and use that to draw or paint with or whatever, and I just go, well, I'll just use a paintbrush. I mean, I guess if I didn't have a paintbrush, I would find a stick. But anyway, all right. So I guess I'll figure out something to do. I really like this. Oh God, I don't want to get any more. I love acrylic pens, and it's got a nice. Well, it's not a brush tip, so that's something. I prefer the brush tips. This is really a thin one, so okay, I don't want these, but it's really nice. Just trying to talk myself out of buying something that I don't need. All right, so I got this, and this. So I got to do something pink and black, I guess. I don't know, and I'll do it on this paper. Think of something. Okay, I'll be back when I figure out something. I did a picture, just something very simple, little kitty. But I did use, yeah, I didn't use the brush. So put that away. But I did use, I used this one for the background. Yeah, I really like these. And I used this for the nose. And I used the black with this thing for the outline. So basically it. I wanted to find something that I could use everything with, and this was simple enough and had the right color combination. White cat, so yeah. I I like everything. I like these. I'm not getting them, but I do like them. I wouldn't mind getting more of these. Okay, don't need them. And I really like these. I wonder how many colors these come in. Because I have the Snealia ones, and I love those. I usually use those during Inktober, but so there's my little kitty. Like the box, I should be getting my Palettefull Packs box sometime this week, so I'll do that for my next week's video. Anyway, I'll give you another look. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye!